How you doing, guys? You're very welcome to another edition of Tone Fly Fishing. My name is Eamon Conway and I'm here on my local river. It is sort of mid-April and the fishing has been good so far up until now. A lot of nymph fish and stuff like that there. But in some of my previous outings I have noticed a couple of fish rising. And it's amazing because the river's still relatively high, but the fish are rising. So I'm gonna give it a go. Usually, like, I've only one rod this time of year, which is the nymphing rod, but I have the Dryfly rod with me. I'm going to see if I can pick up a few. I want to chop and change, so the sort of madness starts now when you're carrying two fly rods with you. But look, I think it's going to be good. We'll give it a go and see what happens. So let's go and see if we can catch a few fish. All right. Okay, so just as I was setting up the camera here and getting my rod ready, there was a couple of small fish rising here in front of me. I'm going to give, that was just a swirl of water I got right there. I'm going to use a small emerger pattern here and see what happens. Hopefully that sun helps a wee bit. Let's just see if we can get a take. Fish aren't too far in front of me here, so. Let's hope we catch something. It'd be nice now just, oh yeah, oh! Did you see that one? Just he came up and had a look at it. I thought he took it. Right. Okay. That was exciting. That was good stuff. That was nice to see. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. This is great. Let's just hope now we get one of these on the Dryfly. I'm not going to go too far from here because there's fish right in front of me. Oh yes, lovely stuff. Not a big fish at all, but that is the first fish I've hooked on the Dryfly so far this year on the emerger. How about that? Brilliant. That's very good. There's more fish rising here in front of me. I'm gonna get this guy back and get my fly set up again, and hopefully we get another one. Right, okay. There's the Dryfly dressed again. Got him dried off. So let's see if we can just tempt another fish here. There's a few more fish rising there, but they're just, oh, did you? I was going to say they weren't fully committing, but that guy just hammered it, and I'm after connecting with him, so I don't know if he'll go again. But he wasn't a bad one. He was in good spirits. So he was. Definitely in good spirit. Right, I'm going to try that again. I tell you, this Dryfly fish is very exciting. I know I love the nymphing too, but it's hard to beat a good Dryfly session. Right, so we'll try that again. No. Anything up here? Okay. The nymph's alright. No more Mr. Nice Guy. Let's just hope fish are still there and they want a nymph. Oh, small one. Very small one. Oh, that was a fish. I think. All right. Let's see if we can get something from over there. There he is. Not big, but good enough to get all the same. Right, let's see if he has a big brother hanging around with him somewhere. Let's work our way over very slowly. There we go, it looks fishy. Try up the near side. There you are. He wasn't too keen on the dry fly, that guy. There we go. Not bad. I'll take that any day of the week. I think I'll move upstream now and target a few locations with the dry fly again, see what we can do. Yeah, not a bad one. Alright, so I'm just pushing my way up the river, slowly but surely. There's a nice bit of slack water here on the near side. I'm going to try that and see what we can do. Okay. Oh, straight away, literally right beside me. Small salmon par, I think. We'll try and get him back as quick as we can without doing any harm. There we go. Perfect. Right, got to trick the fly again. It's mad, it's like they know you're here and they just go all quiet when you're fishing. It's not happening. I'm struggling to control the fly. I might just go over a bit more. Oh, lovely, lovely. That was tricky. That was very tricky now. That was tricky because I was trying to maintain I suppose the fly coming through, and the river was just pulling the fly line down and whipping the fly along with it. But this guy sort of just grabbed it instantly, so it was good. Happy with that. I'll trick the fly again and see if we can get another one. Right, okay, so back on the nymphs again. Just going to see if we can pull something. Wasn't too good with the dry, so let's see if we can get something here. Very quiet. But downstream wind is not doing me any favors at all. Hello, there's a fish. I'll take that. Absolutely. Perfect. Had to just smash the flies in to just beat that wind, you know. And I picked that fish up just roughly back there, so he obviously wasn't spooked from the splash. But yeah, here, very good. I'm happy. Lovely. How you doing, guys? I think it's time for me to call it a day. The wind is really picking up now, and bad weather is starting to come in, so I'm going to call it a day. I had a really good session this morning. It was great to be out. I got my first trout on the dry fly this season, so that was really good, and hopefully get a few more as the good weather progresses. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon. So tie lines and good luck.